It's a Thursday evening, and yeah, I just want to work a little bit more today before I enjoy my rest of the day with my wife. And let's see what we can do here a little bit. I hope the music is not too loud for you guys. And I hope the music is not annoying. So let's see, earlier today what we did. Okay, we had these internal area where you have to be logged in, and then you can, this is just dummy dashboard, guys. This is absolutely dummy. This is not how it would look like in the end. And yeah, let's go in the console quick and run the price generator. Ooh. Okay. There we go. Okay, earlier today we created a list of orders. Let's run the seats here quick. See. I hope they are all active. They are not. So let's activate the seats here again. Alright, let's go. Guys, if you're watching, say something, okay? Just say hello in the chat. Just say hello to everybody. Let's have a conversation here. So we run the seats, and now when we go back here, we need to log in again. There we go. Don't sign up. Don't sign up. Just log in. And there we go. We have an overview of our orders. Right, so let's continue this here. Go back to the routes. I wonder why I can't write in my chat. There we go. So let's see if my stream is actually working. Whatever. Good. Now we settled. So let's continue here with our routes. What we did, what we did not. We do have orders. We can cancel them. That's actually pretty good. What else can we do today? We did today recurring buys, and we can halt them. We can continue them. That's also pretty good. In the history, that is actually the history is the ledger. There we go. In the history, we can see what we did all over the place. That's okay. And then let's go to the wallet, because I want to implement the withdrawals now. That's what I really wanted to do now. So when I click on my wallets and I say Bitcoin and I want to withdraw the money, so it is wallet show recent withdrawals. So here we need to have a button, create withdrawal. What we have to do is and this link goes to which path actually. It is the withdrawal addresses. It should be resource withdrawals. It should be something like new. create. That's what we need, I guess. Let's have a look here quick. So, routes. There we go. And it's the wallet. It should be new, not edit. Withdrawals. Let's see here. That's the withdrawal address. That's not what we want. We want actually the... I wonder, is here... Oh, I have to make this window smaller. I make it earlier a little bit bigger for you guys so you can look better, but I changed a few things here so I can make this 13 pixel probably. Oh, thanks God. Make it back to 12. Oh, that's really good. I guess you guys can still see it. That's good. Here we have a new, that's not what we want. Internal withdrawals. What happened? So this is resources, wallet, withdrawals. Vaults withdrawals. Ah, this is weird. Grab withdraw. We have the withdrawals that can go to new, but I wonder why we don't have a new method here. It doesn't make any sense. I guess it has something to do with the resources here. Deposits, resources, withdraw. Oh, I said accept new create update. Oh, Tim, you're so stupid. Gosh, Tim. Why you make accept? Ugh, idiot. Oh, there we go. That is our new internal wallet withdrawal. Fucking stupid, Tim. So it's this path, and it goes to asset, due, and we make plus button success, because this is bootstrap. Now we go create withdrawals, so that goes to wallet Bitcoin withdrawals new. And of course, this has to go to internal withdrawals controller. Does it? That's also okay, I guess. Good. There's no new action here, so let's create this quick. Go to the controllers, internal wallet withdrawals. We make it new, we say withdrawal. Something like, we don't need that actually. We don't need that yet. We just say, this will be a tricky form. We just say nothing. Let's actually just create the view first. So we go in our views, internal wallet withdrawals, and say new panel. And we say something like H2 headline, create new withdrawal. And what we have to do is now we have to check that the user is taking a withdrawal address that is already confirmed. Okay, so select withdrawal address. And the user actually, if we go here, the user has withdrawal addresses. And if we go into that model, we have a scope that we don't have. We need to have actually. So we need a scope, confirmed, and we say all those addresses that are were confirmed true. There we go. So what we can say now is we say current user withdrawal addresses confirmed each to address. Okay, and then we just can render them out quick. Those are the possible addresses, however we don't have any yet. And before we do this, we need to scope this as well to where asset is, current asset. There we go. So because we are in the Bitcoin wallet, so we only want to see Bitcoin deposit addresses, withdrawal addresses. Let's quickly create them for dummy reasons. And we say is user first, a withdrawal addresses new. And all we need is actually a label, ledger X maybe, and an address, something like this. And we actually say then the asset, I know it's the 3, but okay, and let's create something like tracking deposit address. There we go, and maybe another one, tracking deposit BX address Tim, and that goes to here. There we go. So we have 3 addresses now. And now we want the first to confirm and the second to confirm, and that's it. I just confirmed 2 of them. And asset is still. So what we can do is good question. Good question, guys. Let's continue here. Let's I mean, what we want at the end is a form where we select one of our addresses here. Let's check simple form, quick simple form. Rails and say drop down as a select collection select is probably what we need. There we go. Input age collection. Yeah, that's what we want. I guess so. Group select. No. This is what we want actually. So what we do is actually first we create a form for withdrawal. And we say F. That's our form object. And we always say something like So now our form is valid. And the withdrawal, we're at withdrawal. Yes, current user wallet, no, it's withdrawals new. And that's it actually, I guess, right now. Blah. It's called wallet withdrawals. I knew it. There we go. Wallet withdrawals path. Great. And what we have to do is here, I mean, behind this quick. Good. And the path actually for this will be here on the withdrawal, the create method. So what we can do is run the routes quick and find the create, I guess, wallet withdrawals create. There we go. So it's internal wallet create. So let's quickly say add asset as asset find, and then as params ticker. Good, and here we say the URL is internal wallet withdrawals path, and we give in just the asset. There we go. Let's quickly have a look here. It's going on here, internal wallet Bitcoin withdrawal. So it's posting to the correct address, which is always a good thing. And if it does that, then let's have a look here quick. Oh, good. So those are the two addresses that we actually can choose from. And then we want to make these something like this, F input, and we call it withdrawal address, and as not radio button, it's just as a collection. Okay, and the collection we actually say it is add addresses. You tell them this here. There we go. Those are my addresses, and it's current user, and we plug. What we plug here, guys? We plug the ID and the label. That's all we need. That's going back into an array, and then simple form should actually show us this correctly. If there would not be a syntax area, and label method is okay. We can tell them like the second part here is the label. Okay, and then this collection is then the addresses. We call it addresses, yeah. Great, let's run this. F input isn't working. Oh, it's a simple form for. Otherwise the form builder is not known. There we go. And there we go. We can actually, that's pretty cool. We can say, hey, this goes to Ledger X, this go to Kraken Deposits. Awesome. Of course, this is, again, I just repeat this all day long already because people ask me about this, but this is all dummy. This is nowhere where this is showing up in the future. This is just dummy. This is just so we can click it all together and we can create feature specs for this. Later, guys, we have a designer. The designer is so expensive. Oh my goodness. He's doing a great job. He designed also for some other Bitcoin exchanges, huge ones. And now he's working for us. So yeah, it's just about a click dummy. So we can show this to our investors, get more money. All right, and this looks actually correct. So we have two addresses. Let's confirm the last one quick. We'll see. The A is the user first, and we say, hey, the last one. We also confirm, and there we go. It's having all three. Yay. However, the method create is not found. So then let's create this quick. So first of all, we make a method called current as set. There you go. Somebody wants to have explained this weird syntax, just write it in the chat. I'm gonna explain it to you again. It's no problem. So, and we can replace add a set with current as set. And actually, I guess you can do the same here without calling a helper method on it. Let's see quick. Okay, we need to... There we go, now it's known here as well. Okay, what we definitely need here before we start this is the amount. Guess it's called hint, yeah. We have 25 Bitcoin. I mean 25 and a bit, right? So there we go, that's what we have. If like, let's pretend this quick. If we say create sell order and we want to sell like 20 Bitcoin. And now, obviously, if we go back to the withdrawals, we can only withdraw 5, right? It was 25. We put 20 in the withdrawal, so 20 in a trade. So the balance, the 20 Bitcoins get locked. So you can't. It's not available for you anymore. So there you go. So we say we want to withdraw 5. And all we have to do is go into the controller and say, hey, this is the withdrawal, and we call this create params, right? And def create params, yes. Params of require permit. Let's have a quick look how this is called here. It is wallet underscore withdrawal, of course. So params require wallet withdrawal, and all we permit is actually the amount and the, I guess we call it withdrawal address. Yeah, there we go. This is all we need, guys. That's the only attributes that we actually permit. Everything else is filtered, blocked. We don't like it. Let's make more other music here. We want music like this. Oh my goodness, win it. I don't want this music. Man, is this the music channel or what? Okay. Okay, that looks better now. Sorry for the small delay, guys. I didn't mean to annoy you with the music here. Okay, so let's create these withdrawal, and we make it if at withdrawal save else. All right, so we make render action new and flash something like alert can't create withdrawal. There you go. And if we did this, then we can flash notice and say withdrawal created. Okay, and then we actually redirect. And we want to go to these. Yeah, where do we want to go actually? Just to the root maybe. Well, probably. No, there's no current is set. I guess that's how it's working. Let's see. Let's run this. So we want to withdraw 1 Bitcoin. Oh, we forgot to actually merge asset is current asset. Sorry. That's still not working. Let's have a look here. Okay, it seems that... Oh, I know. Shit. So when we call create params, that's amount, withdrawal address, and the asset, which is fine. And the problem is that the withdrawal RB exactly is vault. Oh, sorry. There we go. What we have here. State machines. There we go. Amount is okay. So we try to get the fee. So we need to find to pass the asset first. So what I can do is I can be sneaky and say actually, there you go. I say that's my hash. This should work actually. See, now we have the asset first and then the other stuff is coming. I don't like this code. This needs to be refactored. So we say asset ID. I guess current asset ID. Good. Let's see if this works. Also not. Withdraw 145. Still here. Shit this. We got some issues here with the asset, I guess. Well, I know how to fix this. I know how to fix this. Asset is current asset, I guess. And then we say at withdrawal, assign attributes, and then we call create params. And that's just it. So when we do this, and we do this, there we go. That has the asset, and now we can actually call this. And it's not working. No implicit conversion of big decimal into string. What? That is interesting. 145 in the withdrawal. 145. Wow. Val. Oh shit. Oh, I know this. So the val is coming in as a string. Shit. Normally Rails is taking care on this, but what I can do is I make val to D. And the total amount is val to B as well. I don't like this. I guess this has to be refactored. Shit. Okay, let's get this quickly running. Expected to which we got an instance of a string. Oh, Timmy. Okay, so we want to withdraw this to there, and we say create withdrawal. Withdrawal express expected, got one which is an instance of string. Yeah, of course, we get the withdrawal. We give him an ID, actually. Withdrawal address ID, I guess. Okay, that we definitely need to implement, so there's no stupid shit happening. And let's go here then. So create params, it gives me, I guess when we call ID, there we go, it's the ID. Okay, I guess this is the issue as well. I mean, it worked good on the console, but it doesn't anymore. He's adding now the withdrawal fee gets added. This is stupid shit. So I really want to refactor this. I guess this is what we do now. We have to refactor the withdrawal. I mean, the first thing is we make validate address belongs to user. Okay, we call these. Hey Sigmorpho, what's up? You back again? Nice to see you. I hope you have fun. So we need to validate. Ah, that's good. That's good. I mean, it's 8 o'clock in the evening. My wife is coming back home soon. Mick? My dog is with me, as you can see. Say hello, Mickey. Say hello, Mickey. Say hello to Sigmorpho. No? You don't want to say hello? No? See, I think my dog is scared a little bit now. So, yeah, I just felt like maybe I can do another quick session of working. So let's add an error here. Does not belong to user. Yeah. Unless user equals withdrawal. Address user. Okay, I guess that's correct. So what did you work today? Maybe you did some programming, let me guess. Okay, we got this now. This is fine, but it's not fine. We have to get to the withdrawal spec. Wallet withdrawal spec. Okay. I don't know if I feel strong enough to do this now. Guess I have to write new specs. I mean... Oh, the amount has to be... Oh, that's cool. You're a good boy then. I guess the daddy will like you. I want to be on vacation in Iceland as well, man. Yeah, always be nice to the daddy of her, of course. I guess we need to do we give amount. If amount bigger than 0, we make it times -1. Okay. then I don't know what happens when I make uptime. No, nothing happens. I can't remember. I stopped around 4 hours ago, I guess. Something like this. 3 hours. No, 4 hours ago. 17, 19. Yeah, I think 4 hours ago I stopped, and then I just started like 40 minutes ago again. So you didn't miss anything. You're still good. So if the amount is greater than 0, we make it times -1. And then we say the amount, we set fee. And we say withdrawal amount is amount minus fee. The fee actually is it positive or negative? The fee is positive. And the withdrawal amount is amount minus a fee. There we go. Okay, let's implement this, because I don't like the way we did this, man. I don't know who write this shit code. So what we can do is, the fee is greater than or equal to 0. That's okay. The total amount is less than or equal to minimum withdrawal amount. I guess that is correct. And when we actually make the amount of val here, what we can do is we actually val is like val times -1 if val is greater than 0, and then we just go super of it. Okay, we can do that. Okay, and I guess now we set, we need to set the fee. So that is before validation. Before validation is set fee, and before validation is set withdrawal amount. Okay, so these two we need to do. So those are private methods. So there you go, def set fee and def set withdrawal amount. And we say self fee is the asset withdrawal fee if asset. So if it's not present, then there's no withdrawal fee present. And we say self withdrawal amount is the amount minus the fee. So I guess that looks correct to me. Should be. I'm pretty sure that all the specs will fail now, but I don't really care about this now. So what do we check here? We check enough balance, amount. User eligible. Minimum withdrawal amount. Okay. Asset minimum withdrawal. Where do we call this? Total amount. What is total amount, man? There is no total amount anymore. Shit. We blocked the amount, bro. There is no total amount anymore. There is only an amount. And this goes to the amount. This is what gets withdrawn. Amount. So we have amount fee. Okay, create withdrawals. Oh shit. So we have the amount, we have the fee, and we have the withdrawal amount. Guys, we should not do this in the evening. Refactoring on this tricky thing. Oh my goodness. Okay, total amount, where we have this. Okay, after transition, unblock. That is called amount. Where else we use this? We don't, there we go, unblock amount. Enough balance available if amount ticker available. That's great. Awesome. I guess this we go to trash. Okay, perfect. Yeah. I mean, let's recreate the database and let's see some failing tests. This will fail for sure. Yeah. So we go in the withdrawal spec, and actually everything that is total amount is just amount. Total amount, I just changed this. Okay, amount is withdrawal amount. I can tell you this right now. Has the correct withdrawal amount, has the correct amount. And total amount. Man, that's all we check? Really? Amount -5. Amount minimum withdrawal. Let's go. Okay, guys, I guess we just refactored this a little bit. And hey, it might work. Yeah. I'm not confident, but that's why we write tests, you know, guys. This is why we write tests. So our spec models, wallet withdrawal test. Withdrawal spec, sorry. I mean, I'm gonna read this tomorrow morning when my brain is fresh. Well, fuck my life. That's why that F means. Shit. Amount not enough balance? Fuck my life, dude. Okay, let's go here step by step. It should validate the fee is greater or equal than to 0. Let's close this shit here. This shithole. Alright, it validates fee. Where's my fee validation? There it is. Validates numerically of fee greater than or equal to 0. Well, it should validate greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. How can this fail? Fuck you, RSpec. No. Fuck you. Guys, how is this a failing test? After setting fee to -1, the matcher expected the wallet withdrawal to be invalid, but it was valid instead. How is this entirely possible? Entirely possible. How? Wallet withdrawal fee. Oh, I understand. Set fee. Well, we set the fee, so we can't validate it anymore. What instead we have to do is this test is bullshit. we should mock set fee call. There you go. Okay. It should call set fee once, so we can actually do expect subject to receive once, and for this we can call subject valid, and then we throw this test out, and instead we call 37 and see if this works. And it's failing. Can't define singleton. What? Expect subject is obviously this instance variable, and we are failing. Nil can't be cursed into big decimal. Withdrawal 185. That's actually good. That's actually really good. If amount and fee. Okay, we can only do that if amount and fee. Good. And we also validate that it's calling this one here. So let's copy and pasta, guys. Set the, there we go. And this is 42. Good. And now let's run this whole test again and see what changed. Okay, this is good. Let's go then into test number. Oh. Test number 1, which is 35. Oh, guys, this sucks. So let's have a read here in 35. What does 35 do? Test 35. It should validate the numericality of amount. Ah, okay. Understand. So what we do here is for the amount. Well, done with that. Okay. Well then, have a nice day, and let me guess, I see you tomorrow? I hope so, right? Or better to say tonight, because it's like your time zone is tonight, so. All right, yeah, see you tonight then. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. So we validate this here actually. It's less than or equal to asset minimum withdrawal. Okay. So if I understand. Okay, I understand why this is actually in the test failing. It is because of this. This is the issue. If we remove this, this line might pass. Because then the, I mean, fuck. There we go, you see? So, so yeah, guys, how we do this? Yeah, I guess we have to transform this on the controller level so we can keep the validation. I like to keep the validation. Actually, I don't want to hack around my tests. Okay, 6 red. Let's have a look. Subject fee. This is 72. Let's read the test. It has correct fee. Expect subject fee to equal this. Well, I would expect that. I guess we need to call valid on this. Yeah, shit. So this is failing, and we say subject valid, and we call this, and this is true. Okay, I guess we say before I do subject valid, and then it's running again. So let's see. Only 1, only 2, 3, 4 red, 5 red. Oh, that's shitty. Okay, we call a subject valid actually here, and then let's have a look here. 676 is wrong. Is it? Wait, is this? Oh, 78. It's correct withdrawal amount, this one. Well, let's have a look then. It's 76. Expect subject withdrawal amount. This can't be real. I guess. Okay. So this is subject. Subject amount is -5. We call subject valid, and now we call shit. We call subject valid, and now we call subject. Let's have a look. So my withdrawal amount is even bigger than the fee. Okay, I guess I know why this is. We need to not deduct the fee, we need to add the fee. Minus amount plus positive fee equals lowers the withdrawal amount. Yeah, that looks good. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this at all, guys. I would prefer the user say I want to withdraw 10 and we don't transform it negative. I mean it's working, but I feel in the future we get issues with this. I mean, logically speaking, it's dumb. Okay, that test is passing. Let's run the others quick. Okay, 2 more, 3, 4. Okay, we get to this. 190. This is there we go. It will have the correct balance after we start sending. That's interesting. 190. What do we actually expect here? So we have 0. We have 10 Bitcoin available. How? How? Okay, let's go in here quick. I'm doing some stupid stuff. Okay, let's go user balance BTC. Okay, we have 10, 5, 5. Okay, the balance is 10, we have reserved 5, and we have available 5. That's correct. Now let's actually unblock this shit. So amount is -5. So minus amount is +5. We unblock this, and that means we have a balance of 10, reserved is 0, and available is 10. Now, ledger withdrawal, I don't create this now, I just say new. Okay, my withdrawal is -5. Which is okay, I guess. So we have -5. We deduct -5. No, we don't deduct -5. We deduct 5. Stupid shit. So if you go here and you say deduct, you see you give them a positive amount. Now it's working. Call DD and it's green. I'll be back in 2 minutes, guys. All right, I'm back. So let's run the whole spec quick. Yeah, looks good, but okay, see guys, just a fucking stupid small thing. Just a small tiny little detail. And the whole test is either working or not. I don't like that. This will be lots of work to fix this. Okay, let's run quick the whole spec. Because, you know, like, if you change things, yeah.
The best piece of advice I have for someone trying to succeed in the film industry or any creative space is if you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
That looks good. Let's, oh no, add models. Let's see what we did here. So instead of a total withdrawal, we deduct a negative, like we make this positive here. Positive amount. Ledger withdrawal. I don't like that. I don't like that, man. I don't like that at all. We definitely have to refactor this tomorrow morning. This is ugly. I mean, in theory, yes, it's nice. You withdraw money, so you say my withdrawal is a negative amount. Well, that's shit. That doesn't make sense, guys. I guess we wrote horrible code here. Absolutely horrible code. So, yeah. Hey guys, write something in the chat, man. So we changed it from the total amount to the amount, actually. We say we don't set all this stuff anymore in this setter, which is actually totally stupid to do anyways. Yeah, instead we do it here. Set fee, set withdrawal amount. And here we ask if the amount is greater than the user balance. And we say we validate that the address belongs to the user, which is good. And we have a scope confirmed. Man, this is quite ridiculous. Okay, git add apps models. And we say commit refactored withdrawal. The total is actually the amount, and we deduct fee and will the total withdrawal. This prevents the model from calling valid a few times, and each time deduct from the amount previous behavior. Okay, I mean, good on us. We just refactored this. Took us 30 minutes, and I guess it's working now. Fuck this. So, withdrawals, new. Let's run this. So we say the withdrawal address is this, and the amount is 5. What? Man, I'm getting mad here. Oh, what is this, dude? This doesn't look so smart. Hmm. Method withdrawal amount. I guess it has to do with the amount being a string. So when we go here and we say def amount is val, we call it super of val to d. I guess it has to do with that. Nope. Oh, it's set withdrawal amount. What? Oh, we have to, sorry. We changed the database. So, Tim. You're so stupid. Gosh damn. How stupid can somebody be? Oh, goodness. Meh. Oh, let's sign in again. Let's go here back. Okay. We need to create withdrawal addresses quick. Okay. We can do this. Cool. Is this really working? That's stupid. Okay, we do this and we do first confirm. There we go. Okay, now we have withdrawal addresses. And we don't have withdrawal addresses. The fuck is this shit? Okay, we have this and we say, hey, withdrawal addresses create. Okay, we say we want to withdraw 5. the amount must be less than or equal to 0.005. What are you doing, Tim? I guess sometimes I'm doing stupid stuff. Huh. Must be less than or equal. That's interesting. Less than or equal. Greater than or equal to, I guess. Wait, what? Okay. Let's keep this real now. That's okay, fee. Okay, set with the amount is negative. See guys, this does not make sense. This is stupid. Hey, seriously, we refactor this again. The amount now will be positive. I'm sick of this shit. This is how you, so it's greater than or equal to minimum withdrawal amount. There we go. And my minimum is, there we go. This is so stupid to put some minuses in front of this. Really, who teach me programming? Well, I teach this myself. How stupid you can be. So we block this amount. All these minus signs is dump. Unblock that amount. And unblock this amount. And holy shit, is that stupid. The withdrawal amount is the amount minus fee. And if the amount is greater than what we have available, well, it's the regular amount. Gosh. And no emergency. The amount minus fee. Fee is this. Oh, goodness. Unblock. Is this working now? Holy shit. I guess we are done. Stupid. I mean, what we can do is we can say val is val is minus val if val less than 0. Okay, this is what we can do, guys. I mean, this makes sense, so we transform it. Okay, I guess. As you guys can hear the dogs in the background, I guess my wife is coming home. So that's now. I mean, this seems to be valid. Maximum 25. That is pretty cool. Withdrawal address is 1. Ah, withdrawal address is 2. It's not working yet. Huh. Hey, Joyces! How you doing? Hello, Joyces. My fellow friend. How are you doing today? You have a good day? Do you see what I'm doing here? Are you watching all the time already? We need to run the tests quick, I guess. Because... Oh. The fuck did I do? RM what? Git checkout. Okay, so we have to rspec the spec models wallet withdrawal spec again, because you know this is such a critical change. Let's just see if somehow like the functionality is broken here. And it is. Oh, bonkers. Fuck me. Okay, I guess this is a quick fix though. We get this fixed. So withdrawal spec D35. It should validate. Okay, this is actually not. This is a minus. There we go. And actually, you know what? With these -5 all the time, we don't need this. Meh. -5 goes to fucking 5 all the time. Replace all. -5 isn't there anymore. Okay. I guess that's good now. Let's run the test again. It should be less red. 11 fails, should be maybe like 10. It looks not necessarily better, but a little bit. 10 failures, there we go. So it's a 35 again. What happens here is greater. It's greater than or equal to actually. So this is passing. Now let's go 55. 55. It won't be valid with 0 or positive amount. What this shit? Okay, won't be valid with 0 amount. Because positive amount is what we expect now. And 0 is not valid. So if we go, oh, what is this? Well, let's go. If we go 55. Okay, 55 is passing. But let's write quickly a new test. It will convert negative amounts to positives. So we do subject amount is 1 and we expect it to be actually valid, and we also expect subject amount to equal 1 if we give him -1. There we go. So let's quickly run the 60 line here. So what happened here? It should validate the is greater than or equal to a set minimum withdrawal. Withdrawal to validate that amount looks like a number greater than or equal to 001, but this could not be proved. After setting the amount to, well, this is again the same bullshit if we set it to negative. Okay, so we gonna remove this. This is bullshit. I want to keep the validation here. Same issue. That if we... Exactly. Just don't do it. We just do not transform it anymore. I just don't transform it, Tim. Just let it go, man. So 35 was it. And 35 will be green now. Must be greater than or equal to. Now it's passing. Oh, interesting. Oh yeah, A, B, C, D. Okay, well. Okay, we do this on controller level then. Okay, only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 validation failed. 72. Let's go and have a look here. What is 72? Is 72 doing? 72. It has the correct withdrawal amount. Well, it has the correct withdrawal amount is now 4995. If we go 72 here, let's have a look quick. A lot of stuff. There we go. See? It's positive now. And this everything else is account must be less than 0. This everything else is just something bollocks here. Yeah. I mean, that 72 is passing now for sure, but here we all get the same, I guess. It's all amount must be less than or 0. So I guess we just go to the ledger withdrawal and say it must be greater than 0. Greater than 0. And this will fix all our problems if we do this. And the fee, it's just what it is, man. Let's run this. Let's run all together. Sorry. Yay, 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 yay. It's looking good. Awesome. Let's run the whole RSpec suite quick. And then I gonna finish this stream in 2 minutes, guys. But first, let's go standing. Woo. Yeah, fuck me. This is a lot of red. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck me. This all has to do with the withdrawal option spec. Withdrawal option spec. There we go. It's not a -5 anymore. It's a 5, bro. And emergency password rule. Emergency password rule spec. It's not a -5 anymore. We just withdraw a 5, buddy. And withdrawal option. This is all. And user spec 146. G146. There we go. Awesome. Guys, I love test-driven development. Ruby dead? What do you mean dead? Ruby isn't dead, buddy. I mean, we just refactored that the withdrawal. Normally we create a withdrawal and we tell them we want to withdraw -10 Bitcoin, which was just stupid. That was just brain fart in my head. And now we just change it to withdraw 5 Bitcoin, which makes more sense. And everything is working. All right, git add app models, git add spec models. Let's see git status quick. Yeah. So git commit refactored withdrawals from negative amount to positive. All right, guys. I guess that's it for today. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. Fucking Ruby. Nah, come on, Joyces. Come on. Don't be so mean. Don't say these things. You don't hear me saying fucking, I don't know, fucking PHP. I'm not saying that. There's always a use case. Ruby on Rails is great. Don't forget that. Ruby on Rails is great. You should learn it. Ruby on Rails is amazing. You should learn about Ruby on Rails. Give it a try, man. Give it a try. Just give it a try. Just try it one more time. Just try it one time. Ruby on Rails is amazing. All right, guys. Thank you for watching that. Easy for PHP. There we go. Easy. He said easy. Oh, thank you for following me, by the way. My second biggest fan here right now. Thank you. Thank you. All right. I gonna see you maybe tonight, but I don't think so. I guess tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock. So Joyce's, that will be around, I guess. Ukraine is... What time you have Ukraine? It's -4, -5? -4 Ukraine time now. Let's see. 16. So if -4. So tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning. That is 4 o'clock in the night for you. I'm back live streaming. Creating the future. Guys, I wish you a great day, a great night. I see you tomorrow morning. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.